Hi, I'm Felipe Alvarez and this is our Chapter 5 of Legal Operations. Legal doesn't operate alone. Every contract, every compliance clause, every policy connects to finance, HR, or procurement. But too often, these departments work in silos, separate systems, separate priorities, and separate spreadsheets. That's where legal operations creates real value. Legal ops isn't just about optimizing legal workflows. It is about connecting the dots across the entire organization. Finance needs visibility into vendor contracts and payment terms. Legal ops links that data directly to finance systems. So when an agreement is signed, budgets update automatically. HR relies on contracts too, NDAs, employment agreements, policies. Shared workflow lets HR create and track documents instantly, while legal ensures compliance and version control. Procurement manages vendors, risk clauses, and renewals. Legal ops brings structure, templates, automated reviews, and alerts before deadlines. When these systems talk to each other, everyone sees the same data in real time. That's transparency. I've seen companies reduce contract turnaround by 50% just by connecting legal, finance, and procurement in one shared workflow. It's not about technology for technology's sake. It's about eliminating friction between teams. Because when data flows, trust flows too. Think of legal ops as the conductor of the corporate orchestra. Finance plays by the numbers, HR by the people, and procurement by the contracts. And legal keeps them all in harmony. When departments collaborate through structured workflows, you don't just reduce risk, you increase velocity. The company moves faster because everyone knows what's happening, when, and why. So, if your legal ops journey is still focused inside your department, it's time to expand your vision. The real impact happens when legal connects with finance, HR, and procurement. Not as the gatekeeper, but as an integrator of value. In the next season, we will go deeper in that integration, exploring case studies, automation strategies, and ROI across functions. I'm Felipe Alvarez. This is the Season 1 of Legal Operations. See you soon. Bye-bye.